offend them. We go to school, we don't graduate too, but there is no job. We try Bolivia to cross the sea, now they return us. They start to talk about environment for so long. Selfishness and greediness, now they kill our economy. Me and got tired of our government. Tell you when they call the lie about empowerment. So I don't reach to tell them. May they stop all their greediness. As you see me, so I know they fear them. Because this is what they do, we deceive them. Hey, come with the army, go. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender until we obey. Talking the war for both the chopper. There is no trace. They know the plan, the way to migrate, but it's too late. Come with the army, go. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender until we obey. Talking the war for both the chopper. There is no trace. They know the plan, the way to migrate, but the most searching. Oh yeah, oh should be, make we follow join the movement of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Oh should be, make we follow join the movement of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Why you say if election time go reach to campaign, they go turn beggars. When we don't vote for them, they don't sit down for seats. All of them, they go turn Judas. If you ask me what the man go do, if you like say I get a sign for youth, there is a lot for us to do. Before they go turn us to no. Go to west, oh yeah, go to east. People they die for hunger because no food to eat. No better run, I'm on no lights. See us with the sun cause they put us for eat. I'm on with the para because we do the suffer. My fellow Nigerian, it's time for us to stand up. I like it on the face. If you look into my eyes, you go see say you the right though. Come with the army, oh. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender until we obey. Talking the war for both the chopper. There is no trace. They know the plan, the way to migrate, but it's too late. Come with the army, oh. We are the people of freedom. We no retreat, we no surrender until we obey. Talking the war for both the chopper. There is no trace. They know the plan, the way to migrate, but the most searching. Oh yeah, oh should be, make we follow join the movement of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down. Oh should be, make we follow join the movement of justice and peace. Make we try to stop the losing. Oh should be, make we try unite together. Unity we stand, should be divided we fall down.
It's Mr. OG.
Yes, God bless you. God bless you. God bless everyone. May the Lord Almighty continue to protect us in the hands of our enemy. Once again, this is Mega Comrade Investigator Officer Clement Iranamigo Edegbe, the open leader of People Freedom Movement worldwide, Commander-in-Chief of the Defenseless and the Voiceless, the Tiger and the Lion combined, the Akataka one of the universe, the Inagbe of Oriomo land. As today's date, once again, is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. As a military family, as a father of one of the most powerful forces that world have ever seen in mankind, the almighty military, we continue to support every man and woman in uniform, those who are abiding by the rules and a code of conduct of the law enforcement or military personnel across the globe. And then we will not hesitate to expose the bad egg, every branches of military, Marine Corps, U.S. Army, U.S. Navy, U.S. Air Force, or whatever, Coast Guard. they have a code of conduct. As an officer, I want everyone to share this video. We all have a paper that we sign when you are given an official weapon. I am proud to be a man who is in a country that I was not born in. I have the power and the authority to obtain an official weapon, which is very, very good. You have to have a clean record. You have to have an impeccable record for you to be able to, stay home, and you stay home with your official weapon. And for those who are outside, you don't display your weapon anyhow to threaten anybody, no. But you can use it to educate others, as a security expert personnel. This is my official weapon, revolver. You can see it right here. This is my revolver. This is my revolver. You can see it right now. It's not loaded. It's empty. You can see it's empty. Not loaded at all. Nothing. This is my revolver right here. This is my 9mm automatic. This is my personal. It's not also, look at it. I removed the magazine out of it. When anybody display their weapon and be pointing it at anyone, it's illegal to do that. And you see, this my official weapon was not given to me because I violate law. It was given to me because I respect law. And I will advise everyone, every man and woman on social media, if you have opportunity to have official weapon. I have never shoot this weapon on anybody. I've go to the target range, shooting range, and learn how to fire. My shotgun is in somewhere undisclosed location. You can see it. You can see it. These are bullets. These are ammunition right here. This is for my shotgun. This is for my. You can see it. This is for my revolver. Right here. And this is for my 9mm right here. Oh, this one is for the Glock. That's for the Glock. And the other one is for my 9mm, as you can see. So, you see, this weapon is very cheap. Very cheap. It's not expensive at all. I have more than 1,000 weapons. 1,000 ammunition. So, you can go to the store or go to law enforcement store or whatever, gun shop, buy if you have a, Don't use it to be constituting nuisance. Okay, why do I do this? I watch a video that someone sent to me. An African man displaying a weapon, telling people if he see them outside, he will use that weapon on them. That video was disturbing. I don't have his number. I would have called him to caution him. Because you cannot do that. And secondly, some Nigerian law enforcement agency, most especially the army. The Nigerian Air Force are very educated. Most Nigerian Air Force are very educated. Since I was born, I have never seen an Air Force officer going on ring road, beating people on the street. No, you don't see Air Force misbehaving. It's common in Nigeria army branch of military. And as you all heard today, Nigeria army have declared war on innocent Warri citizens, Delta State. As a military family, we appeal to them to cease and desist from their action. Those innocent children that they killed, allegedly, I saw dead bodies everywhere. We are not happy about it. And we are going to talk about it. We're going to let them know that the whole world is watching. Why this COVID-19 corona pandemic is going around the whole world, killing everybody with no exception. The best enemy Nigerian military chooses was Warri citizen. Boko Haram are there. They are running away from Boko Haram. They can't even fight. Boko Haram exposed Nigerian military. They cannot fight Boko Haram. The genuine military that want to fight, who come out and tell the whole world the truth, good generals in Nigerian army are now being punished for speaking the truth. We are going to talk about that. So I advise everyone to go ahead, share this video as much as you can. You are going to learn a lot of things here. Before my weapon was handed over to me, these are the paperwork I signed. These are a lot of paperwork. I signed a lot of paperwork. You know, you have to sign this, sign that, sign this, sign that, sign that, sign it. Before it's not how many Nigerians who are in Europe or anywhere who have official weapon, a weapon given by your superior officer. Said, this is your weapon. How many? And I'm at home. I have my weapon with me. So why? I can't ask for anything more from God because I'm clean. It don't matter what you say about me, you cannot define me. It's left for mega company to define himself. I'm at home now, not working because of COVID-19. But that does not stop me from, may God bless America and bless the good people of the United States. Yesterday, I surprised Akataka. This is what we want Nigerians to be doing. I surprised. I saw a text message on my phone. When I saw this text message, I've been saying it. I didn't want they'll be saying it. Oh, we will not make you suffer. We're going to help you. We are aligned with your company or whatever it is to make sure that all COVID-19 victim, blah blah blah. The next thing I saw they said payday. They said no. Hold on. Let me bring it up. I saw daily pay. I said, what is daily pay? I click on it. I asked my wife. I click on it. Then I said, he said, put in your employee ID number. I said, oh, I don't know my employee ID number. Let me check it. Then I put in my name, my social security, my employee ID number kicking. The next thing I see, he said, oh, you have $163 for today. I said, what is this? $163 for today? What is this? I'm at home. So, I'm at home. Then I look at it and say, oh, we are partnering with the U.S. government. I said, wow. Then I look at my family. I say, you see why it's good to be clean? You see why it's good to be clean? I'm at home. I wasn't expecting this. Go and shop. Go and buy whatever you want to buy with the money. $163. I said, okay. He said, transfer to your account. I put $150. I said, let me test it. I put it before 1 minute. The money is in my account. So, that is, why would I compare myself with people in Amagba or people in who are dying following a governor that cannot govern? Why? I am here in America. I'm at home. The government, I don't know if a lot of people have seen that money. Me, I already see you. I've already see free. It's not free money, it's my record. So, and they're going to be sending it like that. I just see it. Boom. So why Nigerians are being slaughtered by the military in Warri? They cannot give them food. They don't have job. They say stay home, no electricity, no good water, no money to buy food, no money to buy medicine, not even talking of rice. Now the military, they decide to be killing them. Me, I'm not a part of that. I am not with them on that one. As you know, I'm a military family. I promote military. On this one, I wash my hand. I'm not. Those who commit this havoc, those military officials who commit this atrocity must be brought to justice. Unfortunately, in Nigeria, they are called Ono soldier. Ono soldier. It's only in Nigeria I have seen where military oppress those who have no weapon. Like what the President of the United States said, when a criminal is coming to your home and he know you have a bigger gun, he will think twice. He know you can fire, just like me now. God forbid I'm in a situation, you are coming with a weapon, and I don't have one. If with my techniques, with what I was trained in defense in a correctional academy, with my training, I can de-escalate or diffuse your plan and turn your weapon against you. With one technique, that's it. Which I'm not going to disclose to anyone. You will be in big trouble. So, you know these worried children, they don't have gun. They don't have any weapon. You are on uniform. And I advise every Nigerian, never you lay your hands on any law enforcement agency. Do not put your hands on any law enforcement agency. If the law enforcement agency, military or whatever it is, they tell you stop, you stop. Obey. They say move, you move. Comply with them. Do whatever they ask you to do. Because he or she who fight and run away, we need to fight another day. You don't know if demo, if they already take a tramadol. You don't know if they are on crack cocaine. You don't know if they have already injected themselves. They are under the influence of drug, narcotics. You don't know. Maybe their brain is malfunctioning. I want you to share this video. Let people learn. So you have to obey as big as Mega Comrade. God forbid I arrive in Nigeria tomorrow. I am being pulled over by police or anyone, which I've never been in that situation. As you can see my picture, you can see 2016, I was already attending security meeting, everything. I have been a productive Edo citizen for many years now. I have never been stopped by police because I do not walk alone. I do not walk alone. If we are coming, they look at the vehicle before you arrive the police checkpoint or military checkpoint. Roll down your vehicle windows, tinted or not tinted. Bring it down. If it is night, on your inner light. There, that will signal them that this is an officer or it's a genuine man. Because a criminal will not do that. Because they know they have something they are hiding. As they see you, identify yourself immediately. Good morning, sir. This is Officer Edegbe. Before I become an officer, I always say, I was using people, but I thank God Almighty, I can no longer call someone's name. I will not call my name. That is the glory thing about it. So a lot of you all don't have the opportunity, but anywhere I stop in Nigeria, they stop me. Good morning, sir. Oh, good morning. How are you? Yeah, this is Officer Edegbe from so and so department or from so and so United States. Bam! Followed by your identification badge or card. Hand over it to him or her. Immediately they say, my brother, how far now? You there on top. You say, no. Let them know. Make them superior. Make them equal. We are all together. We are in it together. Either you are in United States, you are in Nigeria. It's all. We are all. Make them feel good. Then they will not be. They will tell you their problem. Advise them. Instead of they accusing you, you become an advisor. It is better than for them to stop you. You say, why did they stop me now? Why? This is a man who is underpaid. Nigerian military are underpaid. They are underpaid. Some of them don't even get their salary. These are people that go to war with no food. Their brain, they have been traumatized. Their brain is malfunctioning. They don't decolo. And coronavirus called Jonah. After they run from Sabesa forest and they end up dying in worry, how will you think they will feel? They will not feel good at all. They are going to be brutal. Brutal. So, and the bad thing is, they are going to use that anger on innocent people. Someone that sits on his own house. We all have to be honest to ourselves. I'm not trained as a detentional officer or former correctional officer, now a security personnel or security officer, commission officer. For that matter, you know what it takes to be a commission officer. It don't matter what branch it is. For you to become a commission officer, you have to be clean. If I'm not a commission officer, I will not have my revolver with me right now. I will not have it. Never. So, that aside, as we are trained to de-escalate, diffuse, and go on a counter attack on any incident. We cannot repeat a failed strategy twice. When you are in a situation, listen, let me tell you, this is a man that deal with quadruple, second, third, what am I going to call it? A repeated convict, murderer, who have killed more than 4-5 people. They are on. It's only in America I saw where judge will sentence a murderer to 2 life imprisonment. You are hereby sentenced to 2 life imprisonment. Or second, I say, why they sentencing to 2 life imprisonment? We only have 1 life. That is to tell you the offense they committed. That no possibility of parole or whatever possibility of coming out. 2 life imprisonment. Okay, 4 life. Okay, you see, my daughter is taking a criminal justice class. She just told me there's somebody that 4 life imprisonment. So when my daughter came here, I said, "This is what you need to do." She started. She followed. She's saying criminal justice class. So now you see, she's now educating me. Say there is even 4 life. So this is what I keep telling people: invest on your family, on your children. Tomorrow now, she grown, no boyfriend, she not take up man. Now me go tell her, if you know say your son want to marry my daughter, you can't throw me. You have to marry me plus me. If I hear pen, kitty, ojo awale or lawa eladia ye. So that, because that is life for you. You have to plan, because children are not built to take good decisions by themselves. You have to guard your children. Guard them. How can somebody 15, 16 years old, 18 years old, he will just go and open like big boy? God forbid. So this advice I give to my children, that is what I give to my this family siblings. You know, I'm the first person to disfamily some siblings. I disfamily them. Because the energy I will use to tell you one word and another, I will use it to take care of my children. So, that aside, we are trained to go on offense. When you attack us, we counter attack you. You cannot say because you are a correctional officer, those that are you are in the dorm. Let's say you are in Bravo dorm or Alpha dorm. You are there, an inmate or offender unleash on you. Then you will say, "Oh, he unleashed on me. You want to run?" No. No. That is why it's difficult for people to handle mega comrade, because I don't bug. So imagine military. There was when I will make an example with my son. By now he would have gone to another deployment. He just came back from deployment. They was going to go to another one before this COVID-19. Now they put all of them on hold. Before they leave, for about a month or 2 months, a month now to 2 months, they have been in constant shooting. Constant shooting. Trained like they are in battlefield. To the extent that his finger peel. Ikmeabo no ya mwe assault weapon. On a bolo. That is my own son. Oh boy, on a bolo, daddy, my hand is paining me. I said, that is what you're signing for. So carry on. So when he now arrived there, somebody will now point a gun at him. You expect him not to use that finger that already peel in training. Also, it's your boy. If he open up, now next generation you will come. So that is what Nigerian military are doing. But among Nigerian military, there are bad officers who do not comply with the code of conduct. And these are the officers we need to be exposing to their superior or brigade commanders. You know what I mean? And the problem is that when you enlist into military and you entered as a commissioned officer, there are two different ideology. So sometimes the enlist sergeant, they barely respect they might respect them in their presence. They behave like animal because most Nigerian military went through horror. They did not get a proper training. No proper training. All they do, they tell them to soak themselves in the water, drink shit, drink that, use koboko. What concern koboko horse whip with training? Nobody have used koboko on any of my family. I have 3 families who have been in the U.S. military. They have never been touched with horse whip. There's nowhere in military training that say you should use horse whip on anybody. But Nigerian military are doing it, most especially the army. You see the way I'm underlining it. I have a lot of friends who are general in the army. A lot of them. If I was in Nigerian army today, I would be a brigadier general or a colonel. You know what I'm saying? So, that being said, some social media presenters who have no law enforcement training, who know nothing about military, who know nothing about law enforcement, they will just come on social media and begin to spill rubbish. You know? So you got to know what you are talking about. So what we are saying now is for every man and woman that is watching here, please share this video to your brigade commander. Cut it. It is the duty of the brigade commander or the squadron leader or whatever it is, either the captain or staff sergeant, whatever it is, or lieutenant, need to de-escalate this war. They need to de-escalate it. Because this thing is not only damaging the Nigerian military that have already been damaged. Their image have already been damaged. God forbid, Nigerian military mistakenly kill one American one day. They will go to court and they are not going to judge the case in Nigeria. Once immediately they say Nigerian army, they have a battle hill to climb. They have a hill to climb because Nigerian military already have a bad reputation. Whether they are right or they are wrong, the prosecutor or whatever, the jury, they are not going to listen to that. They say, oh, Nigerian army, they kill them anyhow. That's it. So, other military will not be suffering for what a knucklehead military did. A pinhead in the army. The pinhead who done it all. Bad head in the army. Who they mistakenly because of bribe. These are cultists. These are criminals. These are radicalized military mistake military officers. Because they don't have a proper vetting, how to vet. They don't do lie detective there. They don't do polygraph. They don't do investigation, background check on anyone. Once you want to join the army, you talk, yeah. Station, blah. Standard, blah. They say you are not army. They don't vet them properly. Some of them have psychological effect. Their brain is malfunctioning. Imagine someone that drink ogogoro akbetesi from morning to night and take marijuana to top it off. Morocco, he go smoke it, he go take tramadol, take topper. How can that person function properly? So when you see Nigerian military, my brother, I advise you, beware of Nigerian military. Not all of them are human beings. So my dad 2 times, their skin, their blood don't die. It don't damage. Their blood and their brain is not functioning. Imagine one that said this word. Why would any military use this word? Give me a second. Let me play it. I want the whole world to just listen. I've not even shared my video. I hope you all can help me share it. I don't know why people are calling. You are calling. What you are going to say don't make sense. I am the one that came out and talked about this. I'm not asking for your opinion. You cannot push me into problem the way you people used to do it. Hey, pa, do it like this. Do it like that. When problem come, you will run. So, I'm not interested in that. Why would any military or anybody who really went to to a proper training will say this. Listen to this. This is the kind of
people that don't buy job.
This is the kind of military that their brain is malfunctioning already. They already psychologically they are dead. They are functioning on drug, ogogoro, akpetesi, with no proper brain. Listen.
Una kiso jaba, your mother. I will make sure I fuck your mother skin to skin. I will fuck her skin to skin, no condom. I will make sure she carry HIV. Your daughters will carry HIV. Your wives will carry HIV. You get mine, ba? You kill soldier, ba? That will burn you. That will burn car. That will burn.
Imagine a military with military uniform. Look at him right here. Cover his face. This man is just an army in uniform. His brain is dead. And at the end of the day, these are the people they lead to worry. They're going to kill and kill and kill. Let's play it again.
Worry people that don't buy job. Una kill soldier, ba? Your mother. I will make sure I fuck your mother skin to skin. I will fuck her skin to skin, no condom. I will make sure she carry HIV. Your daughters will carry HIV. Your wives will carry HIV. You get mine, ba? You kill soldier, ba? That will burn you. That will burn car. That will burn.
Imagine, this is an officer who do not conduct investigation. He don't know who killed somebody. He don't know if the person that killed that soldier is married or not. Here he is. And I found another video very interesting of this guy. I am just going to play it. I want you all to listen to him. Even though I don't agree with most of the things he says, I will promote him. I think his name is Samuel Ekpo.
The video you are watching now is supposedly Nigeria military. A Nigeria soldier. When we are telling the entire world, we are telling international community that Nigeria military are controlled by terrorists. You see, this is a Nigerian soldier coming on camera like a terrorist, coming on camera to tell Nigerians that they're about to invade in Biafra land. They are about to...
That is the problem. This is the mentality I'm talking about. He said they are about to invade Warri, and he call it Biafra land. Warri is not Biafra land. This is the problem. We are not here to argue that. They will use their own to spoil others. Warri is not Biafra land. Warri is Nigeria land. It belongs to Middle Belt. Warri and Delta are they are the first region that was created in Nigeria. It has nothing to do with Biafra. So let's go. I want to clear that.
Invent Warri, and when they invent Warri, they are going to kill and rape our women and our children, and they will be infected with HIV. This is a Nigerian military man saying it. So when we come out to say that all southern Nigeria has been affiliated with terrorist group in Nigeria uniform, you people think we are joking. Are you seeing that? Now listen to him.
What do people that don't buy job? Una kill soldier, ba? Your mother. I will make sure I fuck your mother skin to skin. I will fuck her skin to skin, no condom. I will make sure she carry HIV. Your daughters will carry HIV. Your wives will carry HIV. You get mine, ba? You kill soldier, ba? That will burn you. That will burn car. That will.
He ended up in speaking Hausa language. Now, watch them here. They are now going to Warri to start raping and infecting the women with HIV.
That is true. They were going to Warri. See that?
Let's start again. You go, no checking. Allah go. Let's go now. They must see us today.
So the international community should see where Nigerian military are using their weapon. They are using their weapon on ordinary Nigerians, ordinary Biafrans, innocent Biafrans who did not commit any crime. That is where the military might of
So
Nigeria.
Warri
This
are
is where
not
they displayed.
Biafrans. I'm not going to talk about that. They are not Biafrans. They are Warri citizens. They are Nigerians. So that aside, you can see why would anybody think that this military officer who is constituting nuisance, breaking the code of discipline, code of conduct, why would you think that this army, this single army, or his troop, maybe it's a sergeant, is heading his battalion or whatever, his lieutenant is not there, or his captain is not there, he's putting law into his own hand, others will join. Why will you think when you see there, you think they're going to obey you? No. That is what I was talking about. Now, you can see dead body in Warri. You can see dead bodies in Warri now. I don't want to show it on social media. I'm just going to show, look at them, dead bodies. You see dead bodies in Warri already. Look at dead bodies. You can see everything they said, they follow it up. And today, there's massacre. Warri massacre. So, then I now wondered, are these people not the same military that is running away from Boko Haram? That is going after civilians who have no weapon? This is how they impose fear on you people. This is what we call systematically psychological brainwashing. They want you to know, they want to impose fear on Warri people. Tomorrow, when you call for anything, you see the military, you run for your life. And this is why we have to be very, very careful with these people. Nigerian military need to re-strategize how they recruit armies, or most especially the army, the Air Force, Navy. I don't see them misbehaving like this, because army recruit people who cannot even write their name. The same thing in United States here. Give me 1 second. In United States here, you have to get, is it I forget what, adverb. There are numbers of score you have to get. You have to have 95 to join. 95 is the highest before you can join the Air Force. I think the army can be 70. So the lowest point, the army will take you. Air Force will not take you. Navy will not take you. Marine, maybe Marine will take. But the army, they are like Ulukunorazen. They pack everything they see. These are the consequences. You know? Listen, I am a proud father. Most especially when you are making money, children, sometimes they lose focus. If not me, my son will not be in the university today. Because he already he has money. I am proud of myself. I keep telling him, this is what you need to do every day. So these people have no parent lecture. Most of them. Instead of their parents to lecture them, they are busy chasing small girls. Maybe their father struggled, they don't even know better. And they don't even have, like me now. What my father taught me is how to farm. That's it. He said, if you can read and write, your life will be better. Immediately I know how to read and write. I said, okay, that's it. So, now, every day I call my son, how was your class today? He's in the Air Force. He's in university. So, he has no time. No smoke, no party, no drinking. What would you call me? So, I want people to always understand. When I keep telling you, invest on your nuclear family, you know what I'm saying? I met it. With the experience I have in this, I have traveled almost 50 countries in the globe. Almost 50. Not because I want to go to vacation. Poverty, suffer. I have suffered in my life. If I give anyone $1, they should be very, very appreciative. I did not go to abroad with anybody's money. I come here with my money. With my own money. America. So, if I give a penny to anyone, they should appreciate it. So, what I'm going to say here is that if you are a military official and you are watching me, and I understand a lot, please, my brother, if you know anybody who is in charge of Warri Zone, who is controlling Warri, I know for Mekana Brigade control Warri, please do whatever it takes to de-escalate the situation. Diffuse what is about to happen in Warri. We, the innocent masses, leader, are not happy. The military cannot kill all Warri one time. COVID-19 is out. We are all preaching isolation, social distancing. But the Nigerian military are out, spreading it, killing innocent children. So, that being said, that is the preamble of this show. We are going to begin the show right now. I want everyone to share this video. We are about to start the show. This is Mega Comrade once again. I sang this song many months ago or many weeks ago. Kolo kolo coronavirus You remember that music? And they play it. Let's go.
From the stable subject down records.
Field Town Production.
Starboy disease. From China. He don't perform for UK. He don't perform for US. He don't perform for Italy. He don't perform for Australia. Now he want perform for Nigeria. What thing we do you? If you can't kill everybody, what thing you get? What thing you get? Okay, what thing we do you? China instead of chicken. Una sit down the chop frog. China instead of Tokyo. Una sit down the chop bat. Tell me why you no go kill you.
Yes.
Tell me why you no go kill you now. Go leave us alone.
Yeah, don't worry. We're going to play the music later. First of all, once again, we are about to start today's show at 43 minutes. 43 minutes on broadcast. Once again, today's date is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Nigeria Army declare war on Warri innocent poor citizen. Where is Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State? Where is Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State? Nigeria Army runs away from Boko Haram terrorists. Coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic is killing everyone. My question today is Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu the governor of Edo State now? I repeat, is Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu the governor of Edo State now? I am not asking questions. I saw people jumping the ship already. Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu and his wife are not the one in forefront helping our innocent poor citizens. I told you I did some research about Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu, even though I know him for a while now. I found out that he's one of the biggest farmers in Edo's land. He made his money through farming. Everything, name it. He has everything. Rice, cow, goat, egg, chicken. Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu invested money on farm. I said it a couple of weeks ago. But now, as COVID-19 pandemic destroy global stability, destabilize every country. We now find out that the only farm in Edo that is helping the innocent people now is Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu farm. Even the enemy, political enemies, they are now begging Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu to partner with Obaseki. But here is my question. Where is Edo farm that Obaseki said there is cocoa, there is corn, there is rice? Where are all those caterpillar tractors? Where is the farm? Where is the product of that farm, Edo farm, that they spend almost 20 billion on? Let's go. Is Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu now the governor of Edo State? Where is Wake and Sleep Governor Godwin Obaseki? Where is Edo Farm, Edo Yam, Edo Gari, Edo Rice, and other food that Governor Obaseki claimed that he have hired people that they are farming? Even now, inmate, offender, Obaseki Commissioner Osaze Osewige Ero, who is languishing on money laundering charge and a courtesy in Italy, and a prostitution and a human trafficking in Italy. He even said that Governor Obaseki created job, that the job Governor Obaseki created is in farm. That farm, Edo farm. Where is Edo farm food now that Edo people need it? Akataka. Where is Edo farm? Where is COVID-19 government assistant? Where is Edo State Obaseki government? That is the question. Where are they, my people? Where are they? And I want to quickly show you what I saw today on social media. I was shocked when I saw it. You can see this picture. I want the whole world to watch. Look at this picture right here. Who are you seeing there? This picture, watch. Who are you seeing there? That is Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu. You can see all this bag of rice, yams. This is a man that is prepared. He is not a governor. The warehouse he have, as they are bringing food from his farm, Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu or local government, he have already supplied food. Let me tell you, Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu bring out an appointment list yesterday. Now Esa, Edo Central, and Edo North. That is a man that is not with no tribalism. Stand on him. Even myself, when I see my name there, no one PFM there. This is a man who is not a governor. Let me show you Governor Godwin Obaseki. Let's look for Governor Godwin Obaseki. Look at Governor Godwin Obaseki. I want you to compare this picture, these two pictures. Look at your governor. Inyaro, Izero, Akaro, Kokoyamwiro. See your governor. See your governor. This is common. This is common. This is picture. Don't listen. This is just a common. Think about it. This is Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu. See it? Not be mega comrade though. Yesterday, when Shaibu and others did something good, I came out. I praised them. Abi, I am a very fair man. You can see two of them. One is sleeping, Oranoa. The other one is walking. Who is walking? Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu. If I was not Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu supporter, but today, Osage Ize-Iyamu have re-energized Mega Comrade. He have given me fuel and petrol to work with. During national disaster or state disaster, that is where you know a man that can govern, that is there for his people. Itabu warrior do a pastor will more he get picky. A Romono or Wukai Uviera winner. You boy Waukia, oh, if do. Let me tell you, you can see what I think I'm a tie if you do. What damn you, man? Everyone, a money put beggy. I told you, I was the first person to come on social media and start supporting Pastor Sagi Zeyamu. Because my spirit, my miraculous red Bible, have told me that this man, he have sympathy, he get good heart. It no matter, look at the Ranomigo that people have destroyed, even my own family. We understand if one person, some of them came out too. I make Beneye, there's no family you don't have bad head. I make Benana me over here no where. Do ya Peter or what we yet tell you to borrow your work. But yet, I get up. I brush my stare. I say, move on. I said, nobody can fight the truth. This is the truth. Pastor Osage is a Yamu. Care about Edo people. And very soon, one of his family will be coming out. Hey, Pastor Osage is a Yamu. Tell him. Amigo, we don't see him. Don't clear Pastor Osage is a Yamu. Upon how Amigo do reach. And when people are calling me, that knows me. Hey, pa, he, where we say? He went, eh? I won't be yet. I tell you to borrow your man. Where are 4+4 talk bad people? Who want it yet? Where are they? They go carry pure water. Are we having? Wait, stay there. Let me play it. I don't want to talk too much. Pastor. Evinuri bowe yo sage no vise yamu. Evinuri bowe yi ora dunanu e. O piano ho no. Oh manera no migo no. Owe ni e popo yese ni una. O mani es ora wese no maya gbeyo. E pa o sage no vise yamu. Aye ga ye were. Aye omo, aye go. Aye bi afefefe wa ye were. Ayari oba ora ye were. Eruni nanwena, eriwe nani menera no miwo. Ugawe we mine mawe dowe, menera no miwo ave latia, ivi tamagmo. We minuna, ema. Trust me. Omemata, eki. Let's go there. And those people can see. They can see. Mama wa konserio, ma bego de, ma bego de, ma bege. We they see. I want to quickly play this for my people. I want you all to hold on. We are coming to the military later. But this COVID-19 pandemic or pandemic, whatever they call it, coronavirus is real. Yesterday, less than 24 hours, 567 death was recorded in New York. As some almost 600 people died. They even the one we are calling cooler when they did the cool drink. Trailers are now parked on the street of New York with dead body. I will allow even you way. If America coronavirus can destroy United States, the heart of the world, New York City, a Times Square is like a ghost town. No coming, no going. Can you imagine if we come to Benin? And who is there supplying food for people? Pastor Osage Ezeyamo. Wait, oh, my brother Udubo, that one they supply sanitizer. I go still play video. I want to be fair. Let's go. Where are they? Let me go. Oh, na me imenama. Ya na oga we no ma agweti ayo. Oga we bi da agwon we iya we pope yo. Oh na me ye. Oh na no ma. E me kan na e. Awa na e. Agwon pe. Let's go. This is Pastor Osage Ezeyamu.
The gesture, which is part of a contribution to caution the effects of COVID-19, saw the wife of Pastor Osai.
Oh, pastor is going one side. His wife, where is Obaseki wife? Where is Betty? Betty, oh Betty. Where is Betty? Yo woko ready be. We don't see Obaseki wife. Oh, fake marriage. Where is Betty? Betty, I be Betty at here. Pedro with Betty at here. Betty Obaseki. Where is Betty? If they go stadium, go the match. Women, if they chop money, he can't they chop pepper soup for Washington DC. Betty, we don't see how you woko ready be. COVID-19 coronavirus Obaseki leo. Boy, Obaseki wa woka leo. Sinwe na ano sage no wize yamu. Obaseki boy. Waye. Ulaye. Wajakpe. Irieto. Watavio.
The gesture, which is part of a contribution to caution the effects of COVID-19, saw the wife of Pastor Osaige Ezeyamu presented rice, beans, oil, noodles, and other items to the homes.
Hold on. Rice, beans, noodle. Mrs.
Ezeyamu presented rice, beans, oil, noodles, and other items to the homes. Mrs. Ezeyamu, who was represented by the councillor representing Ward 8, Becky Sule, said the gesture is to show commitment to their plight and other less privileged in the society. She called on other well-meaning Nigerians to help the needy.
The toilet now this period. Tell me that when I'm at going back in one hand, any manner, power manage only period. And travel and sanitizer water, this shape, bigger boy, meanwhile, opportunity now, women are on your top this period. So don't make me mark that the more why you do, why that everybody is part of the agenda.
The beneficiaries thanked the donor for the materials and wished her well in all her endeavors.
Our special thanks go to the Mrs. Ezeyamu. So we appreciate her very well for the gift she brought to us. So we thank her. And we love her.
Give thanks to this person. God will protect her anywhere she go. And God will bless her desire. And anything that's not against you, touch into her favor. Locate her. Anything period for she will not jump and pass.
I thank God for everything that is happened this period. May God should help us in Jesus' name.
Okay, no drum Mr. Emma Bonato. Oyaluna, Emaro Bochipo, or Hakilgua, any government, and the Onogua, when I know drum also now.
Why you might say the war so soon? Daddy, Ono Yori, Obenan only a year.
The donor, Mrs. Idia Ezeyamu, is the wife of Pastor Osaige Ezeyamu, a chieftain of the APC. She had made similar donations to some homes in Edo South. Victoria Taiwo, NTA News.
Oh, why my TA? ATA, ATV Mona, ATV Mon, Obaseki Kwe. Unasia, Pamudiao, Bora wait. Pastor Sagi Ezeyamu. Walemudia, if you think what I'm saying is not true, I was in the platform when, you know what, let me promote my brother. My Edo brother, Kola Edokpai. He's the only comrade that I've helped, one way or the other, that have not turned against me publicly. So I owe that respect for him. Yokba o mani wesina. Normally ladian. Igbe me we So sometimes when I bring his video, people will be calling me, hey, you are promoting Kola Adebayi. What's your name promoter? Even though he's not supporting me because of, circumstances. I want to play Kola Adebayi video. You remember when Kola was in prison? I fought very hard. Very, very well. People Freedom Movement fought really, really hard. And others, with collective effort, we were able to help them. And then, let's play it. I think, what have you? Okay, play video now.
I discuss all the rationale behind our peregrination to this place in Togo. I want to introduce my brother in the Lord, an astute political Iroko, director of mobilization of Pastor Sage Ezeyamu campaign organization. His name is Honorable Kenge. Our people, thank you, say hi to our people.
Hi people, we are the Pastor Ezeyamu Relief Food Relief Center. Pastor is trying to reach out to more than 4,000 families in Edo State. At this time, he's showing leadership, he's showing empathy, he's showing love for the good people of Edo State. He's trying to reach out to the poorest of the poor, those that are extremely vulnerable at this difficult moment in our history. And we believe that it might not be enough, but it's a starting point for people who are in dire need to get immediate help. And we have our helpline center already on. People are already calling in for people who are in dire need of food relief, are calling in the helpline to get food. And we are hoping that between now and Monday we are able to give reach the quite number of people that are in urgent need of help. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much, my brother. Yes, when the federal government or the state government gave directive for citizens of Edo, for citizens to sit at home without making provisions to tackle the rebellion of the stomach. Because if there is rebellion of the stomach, there is going to be an outbreak of another dreaded virus, otherwise known as a virus that is more deadly than coronavirus. The poor will definitely be victim of this virus because of the fact that they cannot feed. You are fully aware of the hike, the increment of foodstuff in our market today. What do you buy sachet water?
Wait. I want the whole world to listen and watch this. This is what Obaseki is sharing. And I want to quickly show this to you all first. This is Pastor Sage Ezeyamu himself.
Tell Edo people what we are doing concerning our own efforts towards curbing the coronavirus in Edo State. We thank all of you for the positive responses we have had so far for what we have done. But we believe that we need to do a lot more. And I'm happy that in today's newspaper I saw the World Health Organization advising nations who are advocating lockdown to provide for the poor in their midst, because nobody can stand hunger for too long. So we have procured a lot of foodstuffs, specifically hundreds of bags of rice, beans, gari, tin tomatoes, indomie, salt, and so many other food items, which we are sending to different parts of the state. We have had to rebag them so that, of course, it can go around. We cannot afford to give one bag to a family, and our target is actually 4,000 families. So our plan is that in every part of the state, in every local government, in every ward, we should be able to touch a certain number of families. And that is why yesterday we had to announce members of our campaign organization, because they will be the ones driving the process of this food distribution. I cannot do it alone, and I also believe that those who are going to be driving the process should be known, and when they go to these places, it will be clear where they are coming from. We've given them identity tags, and they'll be going around different parts of the state. I'm happy to announce that we have just dispatched the first lorry, which is going to Edo North, the 6 local governments in Edo North.
Did you hear that? They dispatched the first lorry to Edo North. Did you hear that? Hold on. My people, let's play it again.
The 64 have just dispatched the first lorry, which is going to Edo North, the 6 local governments in Edo North. The 64 wards in Edo North will be covered by this distribution.
Wow, now here. Okay, I could play Obaseki COVID-19 coverage. Let's play it.
Say something about the water, and they feel that water is the best thing to give to people. And look at all of them with camera because of water in Edo State. What kind of nonsense is that? And viewers are told, can see how Edo State is. Instead of giving people 100,000 naira, 200,000 naira, they are dividing water, carrying video and run about the whole street, and they think it's the best thing they are doing in Edo State. Look at this water. What is water? But for all the billions of money we have in Edo State, are you happy that water is that help the government to do for the people? They are carrying camera happy and see people that are host water and be happy and be going there, say we didn't have water. What is water? What is water? About all the money we have in this country. What kind of nonsense is all this? What kind of nonsense the government is doing? What kind of nonsense state are we? These are rubbish. These are rubbish. Problem in Edo State. Ask me, what can water do? Is that water people need? This is nonsense.
You heard that? Okay. We have a former deputy governor. We have one video here. We have a lot of video. He's sharing. Let's do this.
Yes, sir.
You can see, you can see what is happening in Edo State. As we are speaking now, Governor Obaseki is missing. Olay, we are hearing information allegedly the government house have been evacuated. That they are now sanitizing, cleaning government house. Why are they not cleaning government house? Who is the second person that was tested positive with COVID-19? We are hearing allegedly that even some of the government people, coronavirus, really, it don't enter. As we are speaking now, we want them to go inside and show us inside. Wait. Now, Governor Obaseki media people, instead of them to be thanking Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu, they went on social media. They are not begging Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu that, let me read it. Hold on. This is Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu. They use months to insult. This is Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu. They were criticizing why I was supporting him. Now they are not saying, Pastor Ezeyamu should please forget politics for now and join hands with Edo State government to fight COVID-19. Governor Boy, terrorists. Okay? Terrorists about Obaze. Or we not join hands with governor? This is a person that we're calling Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu. I mean, your panomati. So is Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu the governor? Obaseki have succeeded of taking Edo State money to China. And the money and his apartment is in China. Or his houses. Now, pandemic have destroyed everywhere. Obaseki, there's no Igo Yamuari China. Obaseki have no way to run to China now. Because no flight is going to China. You see, una see what is this Congo man, they write this Congo man, this one that will soon go to Congo. Una see what they write. He's not saying, please join hands with government. Begging Pastor Osagie. So the reality has started kicking in. Wait, I told you now. Akataka. I tell you now. The reality has started kicking in. They are now begging, please. I told this. I told you, Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu is the only one that, yeah, if you see what this boy, this Congo man, terrorist about Obaze, Congo man, very soon they'll give him citizenship for Congo. If I be an it's not be me right time, see your boy. Oh well, please. He said, join hand with Edo State government to fight coronavirus. Is Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu now he bring corona? He go London, go do birthday party. Now he go bring corona. He go meet Erufai. Not be Obaseki bring him. Why they want to book Pastor Osagie Ezeyamu? For that means the government are not fit. A government that could not manage, de-escalate pandemic in his own state is not fit to be a governor. And I will show you River State very soon. Obaseki said he do industrial park, he do industrial this, he have trained technical college, he have trained this. Now we are looking for mask, common mask. Obaseki technical college, they not see mask, they not feel bring out one mask. Make a show now. Make a show now, one state. Wait, make a just show now. Give me 1 second. This is River State. See as government, they work. Go.
In an attempt to protect lives, we don't also want to dislocate livelihoods at extreme levels. So we allow people to move with their nose mask so that they can at least go about their businesses respecting industrial and social distances. So as a governor who is in the middle of Cameroon infected, my neighboring states infected, only Cross River has 0 confirmed cases as of today.
Let me tell you. Wait. Let me finish.
A responsibility to adopt, devise all known methods, an amalgam of all the techniques that are available to me to ensure that I guarantee security and lives of my people. Cross River State is so prepared and committed to ensure that at the fullness of time, when this...
He said Cross River State, not River State. Cross River State is so prepared. Prepared. Listen.
And goes, Cross River would have had a 0 incident. Just to show you how prepared we are as a state in readiness to fight this virus. And I'm happy that the government factory is properly charged, fully prepared, respecting industrial distances, and they are mass producing in order to supply to the public. We are supplying the mask at no cost, and of course, as we do this, we are doing so because we know that even if a nose mask was just 100 naira, some people can't afford that on a daily basis to keep replacing daily. Therefore, government must come to intervene. And that's the essence of government.
Wait, see people where they sew machine, see sewing people, see them. See them, Mona, see them, see them. You see people where they sew, you see how? Where Obaseki, where Obaseki, so wait, Moku never go there, Moku. Today I see one person, one jump ship. Remember when they destroyed Tony Kabaka's house? This individual was among of them that was very, very happy. And it's not my enemy. One thing that I like about him, he know how to move. He's confused. He's a confused man. He don't know how to follow. He's not loyal to anyone. So, he's no other than these people, Austin Yaneri. He's the one that he write rubbish about Comrade Adamale Oshomole. Pastor Sage, Tony Kabaka. Today, he just rush around, say he want support forthcoming primary. So where they go? Why they now Austin? They gonna win it. So you don't abandon Obaseki 4+4. So 4+4 Austin, you don't abandon her. When I don't collect 4+4 money for room. Why you and why mundu wag boy? Wag Obaseki ne seleke. Wag boy. When I don't succeed, destroy Obaseki, chop him money. Now you are now for who you want no property. We do Benin people. Benin people. Hey. Yeah, that's what us anyway here. Where? That aside. Brothers and sisters, as you can see, Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu is doing everything he can to help the good people of Edo State. Now you cannot see the reason why Mega Comrade and People Freedom Movement are supporting Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu. Governor Godwin Obaseki, we don't know where you are. We are begging you. It's more than the number of days for quarantine, self-isolation. Why are you not still out? We want you to come out. If you have already spread the pandemic, you have a COVID-19 and you spread it, you are afraid that, you remember you called some chiefs, some traditional rulers to come and meet you. If you are afraid that because you have already spread it, come clean. Come clean. That is all we are begging Governor Godwin Obaseki. We not see your children now, they play. We not see your wife. This is why Edo people must not even consider you again. Because once you run, we not see anybody. You see, we not see anybody. I'm a family of my own. You see pastor now. If we look for her, we not see her. Where wife? Oh, how you when I wear her? Lare Moses. Oh, hey, Pastor Sageze Abumia. I'm your Pastor Kitty. The day World Bank. World Bank. When I asked the chief of staff, Akiri, Tawo Akiyole, I asked and say, why are you still in New York? You are the chief of staff of Edo State governor. Why are you in New York? Why are you not in Benin? He's saying they work for, he gets second job. I said, what's your second job? He's saying they work for World Bank. I said, World Bank. So, I don't know, say, Tawo Akiyole, they work for World Bank. This thing did my head since. Why is it that people that surround Obaseki, his wife, they work for World Bank? Tawo Akiyole, they work for World Bank. As I talked to him yesterday, now one person tell me, say, he never worked for World Bank before. Say, now money, he come put for World Bank. I say, okay. So, my people, let's leave that aside. Let's go to the next one. About the worry situation, I want to quickly play this video. I don't know if I can play it. The situation in Warri right now is very, 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 very bad. Very, very, very bad. The situation in Warri right now is very, very, very bad. I repeat, very, very bad. I don't even know if I can play it or not. So I want to ask my people, oh my God, look at this one. Oh my God, look at this one. Oh my God. They packed them for inside. See what in Nigeria soldier they do. Wait, my people, I don't know if I can play this. Very, very, oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the videos. Look at the videos. Look at the video. Oh my God. Kai! Oh my God. I cannot show this. I cannot show this. My lovely people, I am begging you. Give me 1 second. I think my son is crying. So I need to go and check him. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second.
Field Town Production.
Starboy disease. From China. Day on top. He don't perform for UK. He don't perform for US. Don't perform for Italy. He don't perform for Australia. Now he want perform for Nigeria. Waiting we do you. If you can't kill everybody, waiting you get. Waiting you get. Oga waiting we do you. China instead of chicken. Una sit down the chop frog. China instead of Tokyo. Una sit down the chop bat. Tell me why no go kill you. Tell me why he no go kill you now. Nkoro leave us alone. Make you go face them for China. After all, na chicken we chop. Na them chop the frog. Koro, 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 nana, koro, 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 nana, koro, koro from China, koro, nana, koro, koro day on top, koro, nana, koro. He don't perform for UK, koro, nana, koro. He don't perform for US, koro, nana, koro. Don't perform for Italy, koro, nana, koro. He don't perform for Australia, koro, nana, koro. Now he want perform for Nigeria, koro, nana, koro. Waiting we do you. If you can't kill everybody,
thank you. You know, it's not easy, you know. No matter whatever you are doing, when you hear your children crying, you have to go and take care of your children. They are my number one priority. So, that being said, it's a pity that the situation in Warri, that is Jesus. Jesus, you know, hey, Koyo, give me 5. So boy, good boy. Come and give daddy a kiss. Come here. Let me. Come and give daddy a kiss. Daddy. Go, daddy. Feel me. Feel me. Good boy. So, my people, as you can see, it's not easy. So after all this one now, then this child will not grow up. So you expect me to just leave him so that I can go and make a mistake and start constituting things? No. I have to train him. What I could not get from my father, what I could not get from my parents, I have to do it for my children. So when I die, I will be at peace, knowing fully well that my children will never suffer in their life. So, my people, I am not going to go much further. It's about 1 hour 30 minutes. I don't want this show to go more than 1 hour 30 minutes. The highest I can go is 1 hour 40 minutes. About the Warri military issue, we are going to come back at it tomorrow, if possible. What I'm going to do, I am going to, immediately I get off on phone, online right now, I will call some of my military friends, and a lot of them. I'm going to call them. They're going to shock that for a while now I'm not calling anybody. So I'm going to call them, and I'll make sure that I get the whoever. Give me 1 second. Let me quickly just ask one question. I'm going to put it on private. The reason why I will not show the atrocity they are committing is it will not be good. Give me 1 second. Let me see who is controlling worry. Oh, sorry. Let me call Major. Okay. Let me put it in my earpiece. Give me 1 second, brothers and sisters. I think the line just cut off. Let me try again. So, no matter what, you still have to protect these people. Even though when they come out tomorrow, they will be the one insulting you. They will be the one coming on social media writing and insulting you. So I hope he answers. Let's see. Hello. God bless you too. How you doing? I talk. I say I will call you, but I say I never call you since. You know, so I tell you, I say see what happen. I did anyway. We did private. You hear what did happen for worry? Oh, it's not completely true. So all those dead body we are seeing is not true. But you watch one can you work it. Who they control worry? Now your brigade they control worry. Oh, Bayelsa. Ah. Oh wow. So but we want to do whatever it takes. So you know me now the poor will they prevent. I will get a brigade commander number for Bayelsa. Bayelsa brigade commander. Okay. Okay, help me check him. I will call you back once I did private. I did on air. Once I come out on air, I will call you. I did private, so no alarm, nothing for alarm. So help me check. I will call you later. Wait, madam. Okay. I'll tell madam. Say I will call her later. I will call you later. Thank you. So the worry issue, this killing is not true. Hi. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you, my brother. God bless you. God, thank you. Bye-bye. You can hear my lovely, good people. I just call a high-ranking officer who is a major, who have worked in Warri, controlling this thing, who is my brother. So he said that those picture is fake. That those picture was old picture during that time Warri was burning. So this is the breaking news that the pictures you are seeing on air is fake. You can see. You can see all these fake people. This is my brother. When I say my brother, what my family did, he can never do it to me. So this is a person I knew from lieutenant. Now he's a major in the army. And anything he tells me, that is Irish. So, I'm happy that before I get off on air, I can be able to help the Nigerian military. That what we see there, those video was old video. He said it happened during the time things were hot in Warri. So, those video this man is sharing, I want to bring his name out. You know, when I talked about it a while ago, we don't want people to create problem in Nigeria. So I want all my fans, wherever you are, all the millions of secret followers of PFM, to share this video so that the whole world will see it. Thank God I am still on air. I can be able to tell the whole world that video is fake. And I called a military high-ranking officer. I think Major is a high-rank officer. The first military officer I called, where is this guy that was spreading this this rumor? Give me 1 second. What was his name a while ago? Okay. His name is Samuel Ekpa. The video Samuel Ekpa is sharing and a seller comedian is fake. So it's fake, it's old video. The video Samuel Ekpa and select comedian. The reason why select comedian video is here, and I want to play it. Listen. And I love the guy.
He don't red, oh, mama, he don't red, oh. He don't settle, mama, he don't settle. He God, he don't bust, he don't cut, he don't lost. He don't happen again, oh. For inside worry, this operation stay your house. When Nigeria government don't take care just because of Corona drivers 2020. Now
you can hear that now. It's fake. So, my people, you cannot hear that Corona. All this video they are doing. It's okay, son. Come here, daddy. Come here. Go, daddy. Yeah. So it's fake. It's fake, my people. So I have to let you all go. Family first. I have to take care of my family. Let me go and feed my baby. You. It matter my way. I go arena ya we. Come here. Come here. Go and sleep. Say me ya handle. Go. I love you guys. Say hello. Hello, boy. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Omonogi. Jesus is no more. Why did they say to no? Call me, man. Call. On a mobile for me, you know. Call Monogi. Monogi. Koyo. Go meet mommy. Hey, Omonogi. Go. So, area, I love you. Mega Comrie has to sign off now. I want everyone to share this video. The information that is going on air is fake. If we already shared those military video, go ahead and delete it. As a military family, I have to respect men and women in uniform. And for my brother that shows his weapon, the reason why I brought out this weapon was because of my brother. Please stop doing that. I think his name is, someone just sent me his name a while ago. His name is Baba. Baba, we fought against South Africa xenophobia together. Let me bring his picture out. He's a security personnel, but the weapon he was displaying and the way he said he will use it, that is officer conduct. So this is him right there. This is the video. So I don't want to show it because the video is not good. So my brother, the view from it, I don't have your number. I would have called you to let you know about it. So I read all these things. And then I'm getting more information here. Let me quickly check this before I go. My people, don't mind me, you know, I'm a family man. Let me quickly check this. Okay. So, my people, I have to get off online. The worry issue is done. We are not going to talk about it again. Nothing is happening in worry. All those rumors that they are spreading, I'm not going to be a part of it. Let us focus on Benin, Edo State. We want Governor Obaseki to come out and tell us what he's doing. So God bless you. I love you. I want to go and take care of my family. Good night, everyone. God bless you. Corona is real. I want everyone to share this video. So self-quarantine.
It don't perform for UK. It don't perform for US. It don't perform for Italy. It don't perform for Australia. Now you want perform for Nigeria. What thing we do you? If you can't kill everybody, what thing you get? What thing you get? Okay, what thing we do you? China instead of chicken. Una sit down the chop frog. China instead of turkey. Una sit down the chop bat. Tell me why you no go kill you. Tell me why you no go kill you now. Go leave us alone. Make you go face them for China. After all, na chicken we chop. Now them chop the frog. Koro, 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 nana, koro, 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 nana, koro, koro from China, koro, nana, koro, koro, on top, koro, nana, koro. It don't perform for UK, koro, nana, koro. It don't perform for US, koro, nana, koro. It don't perform for Italy, koro, nana, koro. It don't perform for Australia, koro, nana, koro. Now you want perform for Nigeria, koro, nana, koro. What thing we do?